Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to Mary May channel. I'm Mary, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the M&M fam. And if you already subscribed, well, welcome back. So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to do pancakes because today is Pancakes Day. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make my pancakes because of course there are many ways to do it. So this is how I do it. So yeah, anyways guys, an announcement from now going, I'm going to do some few shout outs in my videos. So you need to stay tuned, watch the whole video so you will see whose name is coming out today, okay? Right guys, so yeah, let's do a wee mukbang. So this is my pancake. Whoop. Guys, it looks lovely. Look. Right, let's try it. Hmm. Wow. So good, guys. Mm. Guys, so good. Honestly, I wish you could try it. Here you go, try it. Mmm. Alright guys, so today's shout out goes to Mr. Tracks. He was the first person to comment my last video. So yeah, thank you for commenting and interacting to my videos. So yes guys, if you want to be part of my shout out, please comment on on my video. Be the first person to comment my video, like it, and let me know that you have liked it, like by commenting it. And then yeah, subscribe to my channel as well, guys. So honestly, I'm going to enjoy my pancake, right, guys? So see you on my next video. Thank you so much for the love, for the advice, for the encouragement, and honestly, thank you to every single person. I really appreciate it, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm going to enjoy my pancake. See you on my next video. Bye.